Hi everyone, and welcome back to the final morning report chart appraisal of today, Wednesday the 30th of July, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. This is gold, and gold has been very up and down, and that continues to trade around with the geopolitical events, and it's very difficult to analyze gold really on a daily or an intraday basis, near term basis. You'd point towards the longer term technical indicators that remain supportive. Actually, you've got this 144-day moving average, which remains the basis of support. Trading back around that now, 1297 is pretty much where that 144-day moving average comes in. 1299 is where we're trading currently. On a near-term basis, you would argue you've got an outside day on a bearish outside day, which theoretically would suggest further downside, but it's difficult to say because this chart does trade significantly on near-term geopolitical news out of Russia and Ukraine. So it's a difficult one to call, really. But if you're going to play it as a more of a long-term chart, I'd say that certainly the finding support around that 144-day moving average is a good sign. Also trading above the 1280 support. I'll zoom out there, show you that support line, or more of a pivot line really, historic pivot level 1280 that has been used on numerous occasions. Trading above that, I think, again is a good sign. Also trading around that, having already broken that primary downtrend as well. So there are signs on a longer term basis that the position is improving, but just near term it's just very hectic on the geopolitical news. There is a slight trend, you would argue, to the downside, as there is with silver, but at the moment the supports are holding, so it's difficult to say, because also you've got these momentum indicators that, to be honest, have just unwound a positive position back towards neutral, certainly on the RSI and the MACD lines. So that would suggest coming back towards here is probably a buying opportunity on a longer term basis. Near term is very difficult to call. You'd say arguably 13.12 to 10, which was yesterday's high. That is the initial resistance, and a move above 13.24.50 would also reopen the upside. But at the moment we're sort of trading around these supports, and they're being given a good test. But we wait and see how that pans out. But I still think anything above 1280, ideally above that 144-day moving average, would be a bullish scenario, and be considered to be a possible buying opportunity. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I will speak to you tomorrow. Thank you.